Students, in previous lecture we studied what are the roots of quadratic equation or what is the solution of the quadratic equation. Now today we will see how to find solutions of quadratic equation by factorization. Okay. Last year in 9th standard you already studied how to find the factors of quadratic trinomial. Okay, we have to split the middle term to find the factors of quadratic trinomial. That method we have to follow to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, so we will solve some example from practice set 2.2. First example, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Okay, students, to solve the equation using this method, first we have to find the product of first term and third term. Here the first term is x square and third term is 54. So its product is 54x square. This product is having sign plus. Now we have to find out factors of 54 such a way that the sum of that factors is the middle term, that is 15x. Okay, so we have to find out two factors whose product is 54x square and sum is 15x. So that factors are 9x and 6x. As the middle term is having negative sign here, these both the factors will have negative sign. Okay, now we will split this middle term 15x using the factors minus 9x minus 6x. Okay, so our step is x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Okay, now here we got 4 terms. So we will make the group of 2 terms. So that here we will get binomial. And now we will factorize this binomial. So first binomial is x square minus 9x. From this binomial we will take x as a common factor. So another factor you will get x minus 9. Okay. So the factors of this binomial are x into bracket x minus 9. Now from this second binomial, the first term 6x is having sign minus. So write here minus sign. Now from 6 and 54 we will get 6 as a common factor. So from this 6x we taken 6 common factors. So the another factor we will write in bracket x. Now this plus minus sign we have taken common. So here instead of plus we will write minus sign. Now divide 54 by 6. 6 9s are 54. So the other factor is 9. So we got the factors of this binomial 6 into bracket x minus 9. Okay. Now from this expression x minus 9 is the common factor and in another factor is x minus 6 equal to 0. So we got two linear factors of this trinomial x minus 9 and x minus 6. Their product is equal to 0. So students, when the product of two numbers is 0, that means out of that two numbers, one of the numbers must be 0. So here either x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So here we got two linear equations. So here x minus 9 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 9. X minus 6 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 6. So 9 and 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed? This way we can solve the quadratic equation by using factorization method. Okay. One more example we will see. Second example. x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Now, according to our step, first we have to find the product of first term and third term. X square into minus 20. So, the product is minus 20x square. Now, the product is having negative sign. That means one of the factor must have negative sign and the other one is having positive sign. So, the middle term is the subtraction of that two factors. Here middle term is 1x. Now, we have to find the factors such a way that whose product is 20 and subtraction is 1. So, that factors are 5x and 4x. Okay. Now, here middle term is having plus sign. So, here we will give the plus sign for greater factor and the another factor is having minus sign. So, we will split this middle term using the factors plus 5x and minus 4x. Okay. So, our step is x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Now, make group of two factors. Now, from this first binomial, we will take x as common factor. So, in bracket, we will get another factor x plus 5. So, x into bracket x plus 5, these are the factors of this binomial. Okay. Now, second binomial. First term is having sign minus. So, write here minus sign. From the coefficient 4 and 20, 4 is the common factor. So, other factor is here x. Minus sign we taken common. So, here we will get plus sign. Divide 20 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So, in bracket we will get 5 equal to 0. Now, here we got x plus 5 as a common factor and the other factor is x minus 4. So, these are the linear factors. X plus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So, either x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Therefore, minus 5 and 4 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed? Now we will solve example number 6. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Student, first we will convert this equation in the standard form. Okay. For that, we will multiply both the sides of this equation by x. Multiplying both the sides of the equation by x. So, each term we have to multiply by x. First term 6x multiplied by x minus 2 upon x multiplied by x equal to 1 multiplied by x. So, 6x into x, 6x square minus 2 upon x into x. This x gets cancelled and we will get only 2 equal to 1 into x, x. Now, take this x on the left hand side to write in standard form. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, we got the equation in standard form and now we will go for the factorization. Okay. So, as per our method, first we have to find out product of first term and third term. First term is 6x square, third term is minus 2. So, the product is minus 12x square. Product is having negative sign. That means one factor is negative, other one is positive. And the middle term is the subtraction of that two factors. Okay. Means we have to find two factors such a way that whose product is 12 and subtraction is 1. That factors are 4x and 3x. First here middle term is having sign negative. So give the negative sign for greater factor, and obviously the other factor is having positive sign. So split the middle term. First term is 6x square minus, instead of this middle term we will write these two factors, minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Then make group of two factors. Now from this first binomial, from 6 and 4 we will get 2 as a common factor, and from x square and x we will get x. So 2x is the common factor. Divide this 6 by 2, we will get 3. And x square divided by x, we will get x. So in bracket we will write 3x minus, divide this by 2x, we will get 2. So 2x into bracket 3x minus 2. These are the factors of this binomial. Okay. Now second binomial, first term is having plus sign. So here write plus sign. Now from 3x and minus 2, we have only 1 as a common factor. So write here 1, and in bracket we will get the factor 3x minus 2. Okay. Now from this expression we will get 3x minus 2 as a common factor, and the another factor is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So either 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we will solve these two linear equations. First here we will take 2 on the right hand side. So we will get 3x equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3. Here 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Take plus 1 on right hand side, we will get 2x equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So here 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed? Now example number 10. 25m square equal to 9. Take 9 on left hand side. So we will get 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. Students, if you observe this equation, you will come to know that 25m square is the square of 5m and 9 is the square of 3. That means this expression is in the form of a square minus b square. And as you know that the factors of a square minus b square are a plus b and a minus b. So here we will assume 5m as a and 3 as b. So according to that formula, we will get the first factor 5m plus 3 and second factor is 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore 5m plus 3 equal to 0 or 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Let first we will solve this equation. 5m is equal to minus 3. Take plus 3 on this side. So m equal to minus 3 upon 5. Second equation, 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore 5m equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed? Now next one. Example number 11. 7m square equal to 21m. Take 21 on left hand side. So we will get here 7m square minus 21m equal to 0. Now 7 and 21m both are not a square term. So we can't follow this rule. Okay. So simply we will find the factors of this binomial. So common factor from this binomial is 7m. Into bracket m minus, divide this by 7, we will get 3 equal to 0. So 7m into m minus 3 equal to 0. So either 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 0 upon 7. 0 divided by any number, Answer is 0. So m equal to 0. Here m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 3. So 0 and 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Followed?